So hello guys, in this video I will be reviewing or eating my parfait. My friends say it's not a review, it's actually me eating my parfait. So I'll be eating my parfait on this video. But firstly, wait, I got some gifts over the weekend and I'm going to be showing them to you. So yes, I got this and a new red apron, so you guys are going to be seeing it soon over the course of this channel. But firstly, I'm going to introduce my parfait. By the way, I have a couple of flavors. I have red velvet, chocolate, vanilla, red velvet and vanilla, red velvet and chocolate. For this, I think we're going to be going with the red velvet today. I just feel there's a extra touch to it because my red velvet cake is like the best in town. Not trying to brag or anything, but it's obviously the best in town. There's no second or there's no competition in the market. So yeah, right now bringing my red velvet cake. So yeah, the cake parfait. So basically what we have in here, this is like dew cakes parfait. Opening it, I think one wants to give it a twist, then so it is coated with caramel, Oreos, caramelized coconut candy, and lots more, I guess. So I have a spoon and a fork here. This fork is just to start the whole process. Basically, it's not just to you're not gonna be using this fork. I assure you don't want to be using fork to eat this, but then fork comes with the whole package. So wow, I'm celebrating already. This is looking so nice. I was gonna make it, I know, but then it's still looking so nice. Damn. Whew. Whew. But firstly, I'm gonna check this in the recording.
You're supposed to show. Yes.
Okay. But firstly, let's pray. Bless us, O Lord, and these are gifts which are about to receive from the bounty of Christ our Lord. Amen. 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 Woo! So you use this to start. Woo! Oh God. Wow. Damn. So this is like the official, like this is like the first time I'm having a food cook all to myself. I've never been done. I don't usually like what I make, but woo! Brain freeze. I think this is too good. This is just too good. I think I should tell a story. Let's tell a story. So what's going on here? How I started baking? Yeah, basically I started baking because I got tired of eating cakes that are not delicious. Some cakes are out there are really, some recipes out there are like crap, dude. Moving this aside. Any time for your Oreos. Oops. I got out of eating cakes that are not well baked or nicely baked. So I learned how to bake it myself. Woo! I wish I started selling it. What you guys, this video that you guys are going to be seeing is me, two people eating in front of you, probably eating competition. Ooh, can you feel the smoke coming out? It's kind of full already. But I just have to keep going. Yes, I'm breaking the Oreos inside right now. So the next one I'm going to take is Oreos mixed with caramel, mixed with coconut candy, mixed with everything. Yeah, I'm going to take a big spoon. Wow. Anticipating brain freeze, I swear to God. Oh boy, let's go. Let's go. I'm scared. Oh boy. Woo! I don't know what's amusing me. Is it the sweetness of this particular thing I'm eating or how cold it is? Oh God. My mother told me never to give up. I'm not giving up. Okay, this is over. Oh yeah guys, by the way, I got a shipment of some snake meat. So, really want to see me eating snake meat. I think there's in the past video I ate grasshoppers or what the Bible would call it, locust. I think I was in the wilderness or something, I don't know. So yeah, we want to see me eating snake meat and me reviewing and telling you how it actually tastes and how it feels. What's from me in the comments? Snake meat. Woo. I've been eating this and it's just still half cup. Still half cup. I'm tired guys. I'm gonna finish this. Apple. Man, I'm really like. Woo! God damn it. This is a full spoon. A full scoop. Oh God! I'm gonna die, people. But if I die, I don't have a will. Give everything to charity. I just saw Jesus. I went to heaven and come back just now. Woo! Almost at the base. I'm so sad, guys. This video is coming to an end. So sad. So sad. So sad. Maybe guys, I've perfected my caramel recipe and the way to make caramel. I'm like the caramel king right now. So I'll obviously drop a video on that. The right way to make caramel. Not a failed recipe or not a failed attempt anymore. Ooh. This is too much. I can't eat everything at all. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye. But you're beautiful. I know you're beautiful. That was the best 10 minutes of my life. The best. So, if you actually did stay to the end of this video, message me on Instagram with the code word I stayed, and I'm going to send you a parfait for free. I stayed, but then you must be in Abuja. You must be in Abuja. I'm gonna send you a parfait for free, but you're gonna pay the shipping though. Yeah. So I guess I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace out.